as fuck. Don't go that way! Don't go that way! Don't go that way! Don't! Ah! Why is it so quick? No! No! Nah! 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 That's not normal! That's not normal! That's not fucking normal! Nah, nah, I was wrong. I was so wrong. You can't escape a quick one. You won't escape a quick one, man. If that's their default speed, man, you can't escape a fucking quick one.
Oh my god.
Shit. That is, oh.
I like how you're just like, alright, stop.
Okay. Oh!
Run, run, run. Oh no.
No!
Oh no.
Oh no! Just run for your life, man. Run for your fucking life.
You can't go back to the other side either because there's like a whole
Oh!
goblin. There's a whole goblin team over there on the other side. Wait, what is that right there?
Look how fucking fast they are! Look behind you! No fucking way! Oh shit! That is fucked.